Everyone, welcome to my channel Super Teachers, empowering teachers community. Today we are going to present the most useful and informative platform for teachers community, that is Diksha portal. This portal is powered by NCRT. It is having the resource of thousands of materials. So let's explore the portal. For this portal, we have to enter this URL in our browser, that is diksha.gov.in, or in other options you can also get the same in your smart devices through Google Play by clicking on this URL or simply search Diksha app in the Google Play Store. So let's explore the first one. Here you can see the browser. Here in the web address you can see diksha.gov.in. So this platform is meant for school education and it's a initiative by NCRT and Training, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, which is now known as Ministry of Education. So let's have a look on it. As you are seeing the first phase, even with the help of your device, you can scan the QR code in the textbook of NCRT and get the extra resource or study materials in context with that particular unit. At the same time, if I will scroll down, I can see one more platform, that is Vidyadan 2.0. This program is created for the contribution from the teachers community. If you have any resources or materials what you can contribute towards this platform, you can participate in this Vidyadan 2.0, sharing for your care. And if I will come to the next part, that is Diksha vertical, you can see it contains content creation platform, teacher professional development, school leadership development, assessment, innovation and innovative pedagogy, and the next one, teacher profile and registry, and teaching and learning content. All these are there. Taking all these 7 components, this portal has been developed. And even you can see here some featured content. For example, here I am showing you one clip, application of perimeter of a circle for class 7 maths. You can see here one feature example.
We all watch Olympic events, right? They're a spectacle of human achievement and an exhibition of our physical and mental prowess. But did you know that they are also an example of real life application of maths? Surprised? Let us understand how.
So in this way you can understand many contents, many topics. You can explore all these. Even you can share with your students. Here you can see some important topic, that is of maths, perimeter of circle, polygons, properties of cube, rational numbers, and many more. So to explore this portal, what we have to do, as we are using it for the first time, you have to click on explore content. Here you can see explore content. After clicking on explore content, you will be directed to a new portal. Here you can see 2 options are there, library and courses. So in library you can find thousands of books, and in courses you can even attend some online courses, online training given by different boards of the country. Here you can see many resources are there on the basis of classes. Here you can see class 1, class 2, class 3. By default it is clicked on class 10. Suppose I am clicking on class 1. You can see when I clicked on class 1, first one you can see this one is one training of CBSE training book aid word. And for example, in English you can see the marigold books here, and Under this you can see raindrops, mathematics, math magic. So different contents are there. We will explore it, but before exploring, if you want to explore all the contents, you have to log in into the site. Here you can see login option at the top right corner. Click on login. After clicking on login, as you are using it for the first time, here you can see if you have already logged in, you can use here your mobile number and password, and don't have an account, register here. You can see you can register here. As we are using for the first time, we will click on register here. After clicking on register here, some questions will be asked. Select year of birth. For example, I am here selecting my date of birth here. Now you have to write your full name. After that, you have to use your mobile number, OTP based validation for. Suppose I am typing here, and you will be asked to enter one password. Try to use maximum of 8 letters combined of all the small letter capital letters. Again you can retype the password. In case you forget, you can reset it also using your mobile number. Now I'll click on register here. After clicking on register, you have to wait for few times. Enter the one-time password received in your mobile number, what you have given in the above. So now what I have to do is to enter the OTP. It will be of 6 digits. Now we will click on submit. In this way, the portal has created your user ID. You can save it if it is your own laptop. Now I will be asked to log in here. After clicking on login, now I will be explored with more contents. But before that, you have to give your answer board, of which board you are searching the materials. As we are of Kendriya Vidyalaya, we can click here CBSE. Otherwise, you can click any state board. Here you can see Andhra, Assam, Bihar, Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Jammu, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Odisha, Punjab. All the states of India have enrolled here. But being a KB teacher, I will click here on CBSE. Medium, which medium you will prefer here. At present, I am clicking on English. Even you can click on Hindi also. You can select multiple language. Now for which class you are interested. Being primary teacher, I will click on class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5. Even you can explore any class up to class 12th. Now, in which subject you are interested, for example, CBSE training, and the subject you are teaching, English, EVS, mathematics, whatever, even Hindi also. If you are interested, you can click on any of the option. After that, you have to click on submit. Means this is your area where you are interested. Now click on submit and wait. Welcome to Diksha. You are a teacher, student, or others. Here, being a teacher, I will click on teacher here. and click on continue. Now it will ask about your current location. At present, as I am residing in Chhattisgarh, I will click on Chhattisgarh and the district, staying here in Raipur. Click on Raipur and click on submit. Yes, now you can see 1A, you can see here means I'm already logged in with my name. That is, here you can see Ajit Kumar Meher, use Diksha as profile. Here you can see your profile also. This is your ID, Diksha ID, and current location, and I am a teacher. In case you want to add email address or any recovery option, you can add here also. And I am interested here in CBSE medium English and Hindi classes 1 to 5, and the subject I am interested is CBSE training, English, EVS studies, mathematics and Hindi. You can edit as per your choice. So now we will move to courses. Here you can see the courses. After clicking on courses, you will be asked that in which area you are interested. Suppose I want to take any courses, for example, ICT. Suppose I am interested in ICT field. I am clicking on ICT here. Topic is by default clicked ICT, done. And suppose medium, I want to take this class in English medium only. And in case I will click here submit option. Here you can see the program which improves the skills of ICT. Here you can see different programs are there. Creating first program under ICT, creating explanation content for non-language subjects. And these are the featured course. You can see many courses are organized. This course, here you can attend any of the course that is of free of cost. Here you can see one more course, that is Nishtha for elementary teachers. Suppose I want to enroll for this course. What you have to do? You have to click on this particular course. And after clicking on course, here you can see this course is going to start from 25th June 2020. One batch is ongoing and upcoming. If you want to enroll, you can see the upcoming course. No batches found. Now the course is recently closed and no upcoming course is there. So you can in this way create your own course. You can join any of the course that is also free of cost. Here we will explore one more course. You can see integration of ICT in teaching, learning and assessment. This is designed by CBSE, and you can see here the course is going on from 29 June 2020 to 31st December 2020. And if you will go for upcoming course, no upcoming course is not yet designed, but even you can join the ongoing courses. For example, suppose I am going to click here join courses. After clicking on join courses, you can see one more portal is there. We are already joined here. Now you have to progress. You have to check your progress, how much layers you have completed. First unit in first course modules in unit 1, you can attend this course, integration of ICT in teaching, learning, assessment, unit 1, that is reading material. You have to read it. After completion of all 3 levels, you will be qualified as completing the course. So you can conduct here, you can see unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 9, unit 8. After completing unit 8, you can attend the course assessment at the end and you will be awarded with a certificates. So this is all about how to join a course. Now we will move to the next part, that how to share contents or how to learn something from this platform for our students community. Let's start. So here you can see the home page of Diksha portal. Suppose I am teaching class 4th, and here you can see the board also, CBSE. All state boards are there. Suppose I am searching for CBSE English medium class 4th. I am teaching class 4th English. So what I will do, I will click on any of the link. Suppose I am clicking here, Marigold English class 4. After clicking on Marigold, you can see here many contents are there. Here you can see the wake up chapter, first chapter, and video contents. Here you can see interactive contents. You can see the documents, some materials are there, worksheets are there. So suppose I want to explore this video content, and when I will explore this video option, here you can see loading documents. So in this way, how we can watch the content and we can share this with our students, let's see. Based on your internet speed, it can take few times. You can see here 50% is completed. Now it's loading. Here you can see the content is already loaded. You can play the video.
We have to go out and play. Come on. Let us hear the recitation of this poem, which is
So in
called
this way,
Wake Up.
you can share this content with your class. Here you can see in the option replay, sound offer on, and at the same time you can copy the link here and you can share it in your class. This all contents are developed by NCERT and you are free to share with any students of your class. At the same time, here you can see few more contents are there except video. Some documents are also there. Suppose this one is, here you can see one audio clip is also there, and some video clips are also there. After that, you can see all the topics here, all the topics up to last unit. So in this way, you can share any content of any class. So let's explore one more things, that is library. Here you can see this library there. In the library, you can download all the books, e-books. Here you can see for class 1 all books are there. For class 2 also, like this, you can see all the books are there. For class 5, let me explore some more content. You can see here Marigold, looking around, and mathematics. One doubt may be in your mind that why Hindi is not there, because we have selected only English medium. If you click on Hindi medium, now you can see all books, even the EVS book is also in the form of Hindi books. Ash Pass, you can see here, Rimjip, Bhag 5, Ganit Ka Jadoo. So all these books are there in all the languages, English, Hindi, Sanskrit, and even in Urdu also. Let me show you one Urdu medium books. Here you can see environmental studies in Urdu, mathematics in Urdu. So all this content you can share with your students. At the same time, there are few more contents which are very much useful for our teachers community. Let me show you how you can use that. So after clicking on courses, here you can see courses option. You will be directed towards the course, and here, as I have registered for one course, my courses 1, it is showing integration of ICT in teaching, learning, and assessment. In this way, you can attend all the feature courses. Here you can see different courses are there. You can attend any of the courses, and as per your state also, you can, for example, I am selecting one more topic. For example, I am interested in language section, and in language, suppose I am interested in 2 languages. For example, I am clicking on Odia here, and I am clicking on Hindi here, and click here on Dawn, any medium. So if I will click here submit, you can see some courses that are linked with Odia language and Hindi language. If some courses are there, you can see here the foundation course, पाठन की प्रक्रिया, आज का शब्द, पढ़ने लिखने की शुरुआती व्यवहार, बच्चों को पढ़ने का परिचय. All these courses are there here in this platform. So in this way you can explore this Diksha platform for the benefit of the students as well as for your professional growth. So, dear friends, it's time to explore our knowledge, explore our area in order to enhance our skills, and it will no doubt benefit the students of our community. So, let's explore this portal for the benefits of our students. Thank you so much for being with us. If you have any queries, feel free to contact at hi.superteachers@gmail.com. You can watch us on YouTube and stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day. And wait for our next video. Thank you.